Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. If this is the first time for you on my channel, thanks and welcome on my channel. This channel is dedicated to stock investments and other investments that I'm making, and this basically is my journey in stocks. So it's not a financial advice or anything related to that. I'm not a financial expert. Professionally, I'm a solutions architect and a cloud engineer. So I do investment on the sides with my hard-earned money from my main job. So in this video, we will be talking about an investment strategy with options trading, and we will be selling options, and basically we will be selling puts, and those put options will make us money, and we will try not to use any of our own money that we have. By that, what I mean is it does require an initial investment upfront, but eventually by the end of the year, or how long ever you want to try this for, you won't be basically using any of that money. You will have that same principle with which you initially started in your bank account at the end of the day. So this is a strategy. Obviously, there are always risks when you invest in stocks, and with options trading, it gets even more riskier. So I would not suggest you, if you are a little tight on budget, or you have the money that you really want to invest in. My strategy basically is dividend investing. So I don't try to time the market, but to stay in the market for long enough time that I'll gain some good returns on my investments. So let's jump right into this video without wasting any more time. So the stock that I wanted to share with you guys and that we will be using is Verizon. Yes. So why Verizon? I will first explain why I think Verizon is the one stock that you should go with for options trading, and why Verizon. And there are almost more than 2,000 stocks out there, but why Verizon? Why is this the one and that we will be using this? So I'll explain you all about that in this video as well. So sit back, relax, and just listen to what I have to say, because I think this is one of my most knowledge sharing video that I have ever made up till now on investment on this channel. So let's get started. So Verizon currently is trading at $56.15, and this is the graph if you see for 5 years of period. So it starts at 47.62, and currently it is trading at 56.15. So this is one stock that is perfectly in the range where we can buy this stock, and at the same time you see the volatility is not much as compared to other stocks, as compared to Tesla or even other regular stocks as well. So this is really important when you are trying to trade options on Robinhood. So for past 5 years, it has like the lowest value our portfolio would have had would be 42.84, and the highest it has ever been is $62.07. So I currently own 3.7 close to 4 shares of Verizon, and my cost was little high, so I have lost a little bit money, but I'm okay with that. It is a very decent company for dividend investing as well. But before that, let me explain you why options trading and how we are going to trade options for Verizon. So let's go to Verizon options trading. This is how you're gonna come to trade options. This we will select sell. We are selling put option, so we will be doing sell on our put call, and the put option that we are using currently, the Verizon share price is 56.15, and if you see here, the fluctuation in Verizon stock, as we have seen, is not a lot. So in a week's time, I don't expect it to go beyond 53 or even $54. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make a call here, not a call actually, but a put, basically a put, which will make me $17 because I'll be trading 100 stocks with the 17 cents each. So this will give me $17. This will credit me this $17 to my account directly, and I will be buying the stock at $54 price. So basically, I personally don't think that this price is going to go down to $54 in 1 week time, as the expiring date is June 26, which is 1 week from now. So I will try to be between this current price and this strike price, basically, which is $54. Since I don't want to buy 100 shares right now, so I'll be making $17 from here, and if this target strike price is not exercised, then I won't be spending a single dollar. So the amount that I will deposit in my account will stay in my account. I won't be buying these, but I will get $17 as profit. So what is the downside or the risk here? The risk here is that at the end of this week, which means at the end of 26th June, what will happen is if the strike price go below 54, say for example it went to $50, which is highly unlikely, there is 98% chance that this is not gonna happen, then I will still be buying at the price of $54. So $50 will be that times price, and my strike price will be 54. So I will be losing a lot of money, $4 approximately on every single share. So I'll be losing $400. But since this is so less volatile, I think that price of 54 is not bad at all going for 1 week, and at the same time we have an opportunity of making profit, which is 86% chances that this put sell is not going to be exercised. So it will make me $17 when I invest close to $5,400, and then this is the break-even price, basically $5,400 or $54 for each share, and then minus 17 cents from each share. So this will be my end price. So I'll be investing $5,383, $5,383, and will be making $17 at the end of the week. So this is how it all goes. Then a lot of people ask why Verizon. So I will show you why Verizon. So Verizon basically currently has dipped down a lot in just 1 day, from 57.50 to now trading at 56.14, which means it has dropped a lot already. So I am not thinking that it will. I'm thinking that it won't go beyond 56, but to be on the safe side, I am still planning it to have a value of 54. Even if this gets exercised, I will have 100 shares at the value of $54 each, or basically $53.83 each. So this is why I think Verizon, since it is so stable, is one stock and which we can play with. And then obviously it has it lies between $5,000 to $6,000. So most of the people who have this much saving can invest and see the gains. But if you go for any Apple stock or any bigger stock company that has the current price of the stock over 100 or even close to $100, that will require you $10,000 to basically practice the same technique that we just discussed of selling put. So another thing why we are using Verizon Communication is the PE ratio. PE ratio of Verizon at this time of recording is 12.68. So price to earning ratio, the less it is, the better it is. Since it is less than 13, it is considered to be very good price to earning ratio, which means that this company has a stable price or earnings compared to the price of the stock. Then one more thing that we should consider here is the current yield. Currently, the dividend yield that it is returning is 4.34%. So what happens is when you are buying the stock at $53.83 each, say for example, let me bring up the handy dandy calculator here. If say for example worst case scenario happens and you get to see you get to practice this, basically this gets executed, so you will be spending $53.83 on each of the stock. So this will be the value that you will be spending. And then if you see basically the dividend yield is currently 4.34. So with 4.34 dividend yield, this will return you $233 every year. Do you think this is correct? No, this is not correct. Why this is not correct is because if you buy at the price $53, then the dividend yield at the same price will go higher. What I mean by that is then your dividend yield will be higher than just 4.34%. So this is a very interesting fact, since you will be buying at lower price, so your dividend yield, if it stays the same, the dividend that you will get stays the same, then your basically cost on the dividend yield will be very less. So this will be close to 4.5 is what I believe. This is something that everyone should be aware of, and this is one big advantage of using sell put with the number that you are comfortable buying the stock at. So there is that. And then one more thing I wanted to discuss is that the dividend history of Verizon stock. It has paid dividend consecutively for quite a few years now, and not only paid but also have grown the dividend amount, the cash amount that it gets you. So that's another important thing to understand and notice. And then lastly, if you talk about the Verizon stock as a company, analysts basically are predicting the price to be at $60.50, which means that there should be an upside of 7.73%. So if we are selling our put at $53 $3 or $54, then we are playing very safe and very conservatively with our money. We are not putting a lot of money on a stake. So there is that. So I think that concludes this video. And if you haven't already subscribed, as I said, please subscribe to this channel. I make videos regarding stock investments and stuff like that. So you can do that, and it will definitely help my channel grow faster. And thanks for watching. I hope you guys like this video. If you have any question regarding selling put options or anything else, let me know in the comment section below, and I'll get back to you with my reply. Thanks for watching, and I hope I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care of yourself and people around you. Goodbye.